Clara, what kind of noise does a doggy make? And what kind of noise does a piggy make? And what kind of noise does a horsey make? And what kind of noise does a cow make? And what kind of noise does a kitty make? And what kind of noise does a crow make? And what kind of noise does a wolf make? Yeah, those are good noises.
A lion.
What about a lion? Rawr.